Bullish child doge value expectation is for 2023 $0.0000005940 to $0.0000001073. Baby Doge coin. Baby Doge cost could likewise reach $0.00000001 soon. Bearish child doge cost expectation for 2023 is $0.0000001826. In child doge coin, baby doge cost forecast 2023. We use measurements cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about child doge to examine the future development of the digital currency. What is child doge coin, baby doge? Child doge coin, baby doge, is the moving meme coin that was made following its trailblazer dogecoin. Baby doge was sent off on June 1, 2021. Tesla chief Elon Musk's garbage tweet, "Child doge do help the symbolics acknowledgement among the crypto local area. Very much like dogecoin, Baby Doge keeps on acquiring notoriety." Child Doge was sent off as a BEP20 token on the Binance Shared Chain (BSC) and was forked later on to Ethereum. This deflationary token is upheld by Evidence of Authority (POA) agreement. Child Doge coin, Baby Doge value expectation 2023. Child Doge coin, Baby Doge, stands firm on the 121th footing on CoinGecko at this moment. Child Doge cost expectation for 2023 is made sense of beneath with a day-to-day time period. Climbing channel design, otherwise called the rising channel. The upper and lower pattern lines that interface the new records all around separately seem to move inside a rising incline. This example is by and large a quality of a bullish pattern. Presently, child doge coin, Baby Doge, is in the scope of $0.000000004348. Assuming that the example proceeds, the cost of child doge could arrive at the opposition levels of $0.000000004575, $0.000000057442 and $0.000000007271. On the off chance that the pattern switches, the cost of child doge might tumble to $0.000000003760 and $0.000000002909. The graphs show that child doge, baby doge, has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. In the event that this pattern proceeds, child doge could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its obstruction level at $0.000000001073. As needs be, on the off chance that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of child doge baby doge could plunge to nearly $0.000000001826, a negative sign. Child doge coin, Baby Doge value expectation 2023 RVOL, MAMA and RSI. The relative volume, RVOL, of child doge coin, Baby Doge, is displayed in the graph beneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. Right now, the RVOL of child doge lies beneath the end line, showing frail members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal, MAMA, of child doge coin, Baby Doge, is displayed in the diagram above. Strikingly, child doge coin, Baby Doge cost lies over 50 MAMA, present moment, so it is in an upswing. Presently, child doge has entered a bullish state. In this way, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of child doge whenever. In the interim, the overall strength record, RSI, of the child doge is 100.00. This implies that child doge coin, Baby Doge, is in an overbought state. Be that as it may, this implies a significant value inversion of child doge might happen in the forthcoming days. In this way, merchants need to painstakingly exchange child doge coin, Baby Doge, value forecast 2023 ADX, RVI. Allow us now to look normal directional file, ADX, of Baby Doge coin, Baby Doge. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. The above outline addresses the ADX of child doge coin, Baby Doge. As of now, the ADX of child doge lies in the scope of 91, and in this manner, it demonstrates an extremely impressive pattern. The above graph additionally addresses the overall unpredictability list, RVI of child Dogecoin, BABYDOGE. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of child Doge lies over 50, showing high unpredictability. Truth be told, the RSI of child Dogecoin, BABYDOGE, is at 100.00 in this manner, affirming a potential sell signal. From the above diagram, we can decipher that the value activities of BABYDOGE is a disparate pattern as for BTC and ETH. This shows that when the cost of BTC and ETH builds, the cost of BABYDOGE diminishes. Furthermore, when the cost of BTC and ETH diminishes, the cost of BABYDOGE builds. Child Dogecoin, BABYDOGE value expectation 2024 to 2030. Various variables are considered while determining costs, including volume changes, cost varieties, market cycles, and comparable coins. We should anticipate the cost of child Dogecoin, BABYDOGE, somewhere in the range of 2024 and 2030. Child Dogecoin, BABYDOGE value expectation 2024. Assuming that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern switches, child Dogecoin, BABYDOGE could likely accomplish $0.00000005 by 2024. Child Dogecoin, BABYDOGE value expectation 2025. With a few updates in the organization, child Dogecoin, BABYDOGE could enter a bullish direction. Assuming the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, child Doge could energize to hit $0.00000008 by 2025. Child Dogecoin, BABYDOGE value expectation 2026. In the event that child Dogecoin, BABYDOGE supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 3 years, child Doge would mobilize to hit $0.00000001. Child Dogecoin, BABYDOGE value expectation 2027. In the event that child Dogecoin, BABYDOGE supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among financial backers for the following 4 years, child Doge would energize to hit $0.00000005. Child Dogecoin, BABYDOGE value expectation 2028. In the event that child Dogecoin, BABYDOGE supports significant obstruction levels and keeps in being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 5 years, child Doge would mobilize to hit $0.00000008. Child Dogecoin, BABYDOGE value forecast 2029. On the off chance that child Dogecoin, BABYDOGE holds up serious areas of strength and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years, in the midst of the patterns and the exceptionally unpredictable crypto market, by driving critical cost rallies, child Doge would hit $0.000001 in 2029. Child Dogecoin, BABYDOGE value expectation 2030. Assuming financial backers run in and keep on putting down their